Managing courses in GoHighLevel can be confusing for students. They need to open different calendars one by one just to check if a course is available or not. This leads to missed bookings and a lot of frustration. So we built a central course dashboard. Students can now see all courses for the month in one clean and simple calendar view. They select the course they like, click once, and it takes them to the booking page that's already connected to your GoHighLevel calendar. All multi-day courses get booked automatically. No need for the students to book each day separately. And you know what's the best part? This dashboard is embedded directly inside GHL as a custom menu link. So students stay inside your system. No extra portals needed. And for your admin team, there's a powerful management portal. Add or delete courses, link or remove GHL calendars, edit course details, timings, duration, trainer, pricing, view number of active calendar courses, visual charts and analytics, super admin access to manage everything from the top, smooth, simple, completely in your control. Want to try it? We have shared a Figma preview in the description. Go check it out. Explore it, click around and see how it feels. Let's take your course bookings in GHL to the next level.